Hey guys, it's WT here from the Coin Alley. It is Sunday, February the 11th, and being that it's Sunday, you know what time it is. It is time for yet another exciting episode of Subscriber's Choice. This week, we're talking about Litecoin Cash. Yes, you've heard me correctly. Yeah, Litecoin Cash. Yet another fork, but this time it's on the Litecoin blockchain. I'll tell you more about this coming right up. Let's do it. And welcome back to the Coin Alley. I am your host, WT. So this week, we're talking about Litecoin Cash. All right. So in the past, there have been other forks of other coins. The most famous fork has been the Bitcoin Cash fork. And we know how that turned out. It's been pretty successful. And then we had Bitcoin Gold, and there were some other types of Bitcoin out there. So now it's Litecoin's turn. Now this Litecoin fork is not affiliated with the Litecoin project. In fact, Charlie Lee is against that, and there's a tweet from a few weeks back where Charlie Lee provided his opinion on forks, and he thinks it's a scam. So just so you guys are aware that this fork is not affiliated with Litecoin. So here's the current price of Litecoin. It's sitting at $153.99. It's actually a week ago. Litecoin was at what? Roughly $108, I believe. It's definitely gone back and forth. But right now it is up 0.3%, and it was much higher several months ago, and all the coins are now down, but they're now rebounding, and people have been panicking and all the FUD about all the other stuff that's been going on in the world. So that definitely affects the pricing of all the cryptocurrency. But right now, Litecoin is at $153.99. So let's talk about this Litecoin Cash fork and how you should be able to fork responsibly. All right. So the SHA-256 Litecoin fork. So new coins for old miners. Put your legacy Bitcoin SHA-256 mining hardware to effective use by being able to mine Litecoin Cash. So for every one Litecoin that you're holding at block 1371111, you can claim 10 Litecoin Cash. So that's pretty amazing. That's pretty awesome if you are the type of person who like to hold new coins. So this might be the opportunity for you. Now, I will preface this by saying that this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and make your own decision. This is not the Coin Alley's decision. This is not WT's decision. This is your decision. I'm just telling you what I probably will be doing to claim my Litecoin Cash. So simple to claim. Our wallet makes it easy to claim your Litecoin Cash, and they're using the symbol LCC. No debug console is required. And of course, responsible forking, replay attack protection, and new address prefix to prevent confusion and interchain issues. Fair launch, slow start control, pre-release of Bootstrap, and improve retargeting to ensure a smooth transaction. So once again, the code will, the snapshot or snap of the blockchain will occur at fork 1371111. And right now it's telling us Litecoin blocks left until the fork is 4,048. So it is expected to occur next Sunday, the 18th of February. Let's see here. Share your fork countdown for a chance to win 100 Litecoin Cash. Well, that's pretty neat. So here's a timeline on this whole Litecoin Cash project. So they started working on this in December of last year. Testing was last month. Announcement on the 3rd. And here's where the snapshot will take place. And then they'll be releasing the coins, and the wallet should be available March, which is an ETA. Here's your details on what's going to happen, and here are the specs on the Litecoin Cash. So there's going to be a buttload, buku, of Litecoin Cash, 840 million to be exact. So it's going to be a lot of coins that will be out there. It is SHA-256 mining algorithm, and here's the other information about your difficulty. It is set to be SegWit enabled with Lightning, and here's your blockchain size, and here is the ratio that we talked about, 10:1. So for every Litecoin you hold, you are eligible for up to 10 Litecoin Cash, and here is the wallet. So as with other blocks or other forks, to claim your coin, you have to ensure that you're currently holding your coin in a wallet where you control your private keys. And I cannot stress that enough. So if you have your Litecoin on an exchange, if you have your Litecoin on exchanges like Coinbase, then you are not holding your private keys, and those exchanges will be claiming those Litecoin Cash on your behalf. And guess what? They're not going to give them to you. You know, at least they're not required to give them to you. So what you want to do is make sure that you're holding your Litecoin Cash, your Litecoin rather, either be it on a hardware wallet like Trezor or Nano or what have you, or on Jax, or maybe you're going to use the Litecoin wallet. There's a Litecoin wallet that's available on the litecoin.org website, and I'll leave a link in the description. So you can use that, or you can use Exodus. And what you want to do, if you're going to be using Exodus, I would definitely recommend getting a brand new installation of Exodus where you have a new set of private keys, especially if you use Exodus on an ongoing basis. But if you're not the type of person that uses Exodus frequently, then you can leave your coins in Exodus or in Jax, or you might use this Litecoin wallet. And what you will do, you want to make sure that your Litecoin is inside of one of these wallets where you control the private keys until the conclusion of the Snapchat. Well, not the Snapchat, the snapshot, rather, on the Litecoin network. So after this, the snapshot, I'm having a hard time saying that word, the snapshot. So once they've taken that picture, once they've taken the picture of the blockchain and your coins, then at that time, then what you would want to do, if you had your Litecoins, let's say you had your Litecoins, like in my example, I have Litecoin on Trezor. So what I would do, prior to the photo being taken of the blockchain, I will move my Litecoin from my Trezor over to Jax or Exodus or to a Litecoin Core wallet. You know, I'm going to have my Litecoin sitting there for the snapshot to be taken of the blockchain. Now, once that time has passed, so around the 18th of February, and you can wait a few more days later just to ensure that everything is captured, and I'm sure they'll update this website to tell us that, you know, everything is safe. They've already taken that snapshot of the blockchain. At that point, then you can move your Litecoin back to where it was prior. So I would move my Litecoin back to my Trezor, and then I can use the private keys from that wallet, which should now have 0 Litecoin in it. I can now use that, the private keys from that wallet to claim my free Litecoin Cash. At that point, you should be able to return to this website, and then you can download one of the applicable desktop wallets, be it Linux, Mac, or Windows, and then you can claim your free Litecoin Cash using the private keys. And that would be the safest way to claim your Litecoin Cash. You shouldn't use or expose your private keys to a wallet where you actually currently are holding Litecoin. To do that, you are exposing your coins to possibly being stolen or whatever. So be very careful, guys. Every time there's a fork, there are a lot of reports for people losing their coins because they didn't securely claim those coins. So you want to make sure you do it the proper way, or else you'll end up losing your coins. So let's take a look at the team behind Litecoin Cash. You can read up on these folks. They even have this unicorn here in place of someone named Roger, and there's even a video here where you can play a 9-second video involving a psychedelic unicorn, which is pretty funny. But you guys can definitely check that out. Let me know your thoughts on Litecoin Cash. Are you going to be participating in this claiming of the free Litecoin Cash? And let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. As I mentioned, I'll be getting involved in this. It is free coins. You don't know how it's going to turn out. I like to hold on to coins and see what happens. You know, nothing could happen, or we could make, profit from this, from these fork coins. So definitely let me know your thoughts on Litecoin Cash, and let's get the discussion going, guys. All right, until our next video, take care of yourself and, of course, each other.